Hello, new users. Thank you for joining the ClickBank team. As of October 29th, all new account creation is done through a new master account feature. Accounts created after October 29th, 2019 will be required to create individual accounts through what is known as the master account dash. These individual accounts have unique account nicknames and are accessed through a single login. Accounts that were created prior to October 29th can still be accessed via the new login screen with their account nickname and password. However, accounts created after the 29th are required to log in using their email address and password, as account nicknames are not paired with a password. This video is geared toward those new users that created an account after October 29th because the process to navigate to the page where many of the ClickBank operations happen is different than described in many of our help articles. So, I'm here today to give a quick heads up about some site navigation information that might be helpful for new users. When you log in to your ClickBank account as a new user, regardless if you want to get started as a ClickBank vendor or a ClickBank affiliate, you're immediately directed to the new dashboard page. This page is where you can view the combined earnings of your linked accounts and navigate to the ticket and clerk management sections of the master account feature. So, what may be confusing at first is how to access the part of your account where your products, promoted products, and payment information live. That's what we're going to go over today. After you've created a new user on the Manage Account Nicknames page, you will see the nickname listed as a hyperlink under the nickname header. From now on, we will refer to these accounts as sub-accounts. To navigate to the operational platform of ClickBank, click the sub-account link you want. This is the page where you will be able to complete all the functions outlined in the knowledge base. Just be sure to get to this screen before proceeding with any of the step-by-step articles in the knowledge base. From this screen, you can update your payment information, add new products, run reports on specific accounts, and access the knowledge base and affiliate marketplace. In this video, we also want to highlight how to update your payment information for your new account. Keep in mind that even though you can view combined reporting on the dashboard page, each of your account nicknames have their own unique payment information sections. To update your payment information, click on the account you want to work in from the Manage Account Nicknames page. Then, click the Account Settings tab on the horizontal navigation bar at the top of the screen. Clicking this tab directs you to the My Account page. From here, scroll down to the Payment Information box. Click the Edit link in the right-hand corner of this box. Clicking this link directs you to the Payment Information Editor page. This is where you can determine your payment threshold, method, and frequency. Make sure you update this section for each of your sub-accounts to ensure your money is going where you want it, via the payment method you prefer. Even though your payment information is all managed at the sub-account level, you can manage tickets for all your linked sub-accounts within the master account. To manage the tickets of all your sub-accounts, navigate back to the master account dashboard page, either by logging in from the ClickBank homepage or accessing it via the previously opened browser tab. Once you're back on the dashboard page, click the Tickets tab on the vertical navigation bar on the left side of the screen. From here, you can view any customer support tickets from any accounts that you linked together. Some of these changes might still be a little confusing. If you need help troubleshooting any issues, we recommend that you navigate to the appropriate sub-account. Each sub-account will allow you to access all the internal functions that power your account, including the payment information section, the product platform, and links to the knowledge base. Thank you for your time. We're excited to support you on your journey to make bank. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and follow us on YouTube to stay in the loop for more helpful ClickBank tips.